3D printing isn't expensive. Let me show you. This is the Sculpto 2, a 3D printer that I got for $75. It's a very simple printer, yet pretty reliable. This is a great printer for anyone who's looking to get into 3D printing. It's very easy to use and gives you pretty good results. This printer does not have a screen, so the way that you interact with it is an app. You have very few settings that you have total control over, so if you're looking for those capabilities, this printer wouldn't be for you. This is more of a plug-and-play model. It comes with this acrylic filament spool holder, which just does the job fine. The build volume is 7.9 inches in diameter by 7 inches tall. You can get this printer off their website for $75. It was originally $130. If you have any questions about this printer or see what this printer can do, like for part 2.